Hello guys, my name is Ray and welcome to the live demo of DomainVerseKE, which is an application that makes domain searching easy, fun and engaging. Now in DomainVerse we have two different modes and what you choose is totally up to you. So the first mode that we have is the gamification version. So basically what we've done is we've gamified how people basically look and search for domains. And how this works is basically through you have a character in a virtual world, which is Nairobi. We'll go through Nairobi city. As you can see from the background, we have a depiction of Nairobi, part of Nairobi city. And through Nairobi city, you can search for a domain. And once you search for a domain, it drops the suggestions down into Nairobi city, and you can actually collect the domains and choose which one is suitable for you. That's the gamified way. The second way is just the normal application where you just search for a specific domain, it checks whether it's available, and yeah, so we'll get on with it. So you will just type your username. You can type any username, and here is the beauty about it also. We have rooms where you can create different virtual worlds where, let's say you want to collaborate with, let's say you have a team and you want to collaborate on which domain sounds better. You can totally do this. All they just have to do is know your room number and they'll join that specific room. So I'm going to create my room. The rooms are assigned automatically by the system. So this is the first mode actually where we've gamified the version. You can see the bottom here is our room number. Now you can share this, and when they go to log in on the other side, they can just click to join this room and they will be with you with their own virtual character. So this is the virtual world I was talking about. You've got KICC, Nairobi, Times Tower and all. You've got the domain search. Now this is the first part that we're going to do. So let's say you want to create a domain. Let's say Raytech Games. Yeah, that's the name of my game studio. It's going to go through the system and go through the approved registrars and try to find what combination of the names makes sense. So it's found 7 ideas and we are going to walk into one to pick one. That's the basic idea of how this works. So you can control the character. This works on mobile, by the way, the same way you can see the controls. So we've got various domains here. We've got raytechgames.info.ke. I can pick it and it will tell me whether I've picked it anytime I walk into one. So let's see. You've got raytechgames.co.ke. I can pick that as well. You've got raytechgames.me. Not feeling that too much. Get raytechgames. Okay. You don't have to necessarily pick it. You can always just ignore it. And you've got raytechgames.ke.co. I can pick that as well. So once you're satisfied, because there'll be tons of domains that it will generate for you and they drop from the sky, you can click on the cart and it will populate your cart with whatever you've picked. You can either choose to remove it or to just simply check out. I'm just going to check out the way it is, and it's going to now, once you click checkout, it's going to give you a list of the approved registrars that are approved by Kenyan themselves. So you can click any. I can click TrueHost and your names will carry forward to the API which we have created here. So you can now choose a specific domain to buy out of the 3, and the best for me sounds like raytechgames.co.ke. Sounds simple. And the registrar, you can actually select any registrar. Let's say we go with Host Pinnacle. And here's the beauty about it. You don't have to even struggle to look for anything. It will just automatically, once you click on the registrar, it will automatically do the searching for you and tell you whether it's available, and here it is available. It will, from the game, it will never ever drop a domain from into the virtual world if it's not available. That's the beauty about it. So you don't have to struggle to know whether it's available or not. Here's the cost, and you just pay and go. And it works for every other single domain. If we go to SoftLink, for example, same thing it will do. It will just take you to the landing page, and it will generate, automatically paste the link into the search bar and add it to the cart automatically. Same way, no struggle. You can even do TrueHost. The same way it would work. The same way it would work for any. Yeah. So we're basically just communicating between the API and the game. Same thing. And how it's arranged from the top to bottom is it will start with the cheapest all the way down to the most expensive. That's how it basically works. So um, that's it for the game. Now we can go back to the menu and I show you how the normal application works. So the normal side is, let's say you don't want to uh, to play the game so much. You just want to quickly find a domain. That's okay. We have catered for them. Let's say you don't really want the immersive experience. You just want to quickly go through and just find a domain and just go. We have also created the space for you. So we'll wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you just come, search for domain. You can even search for the same domain. No big issue. So it's going to search, and they are both, the beauty about both applications, they work with both with the same API. So the API will sync between the two applications and know what you've chosen and what you've not chosen. So as you can see, you still have the domains here, and you can select any. You can remove, let's say, Gateway Games. You can remove that from the cart. We don't want that, and we can remove that one. I can remain with these ones. And once I check out, it's now going to load the same exact way. If you select, let's say, try retake games, though that's not a domain that I would use, it's still fine. Yeah, there we go. It shows you it's available and you can purchase it from this website. So that's pretty much it for this application. That's how it totally works. I hope you enjoy it. It's available actually through the link that I will post into the submission link. And yeah, so the basic thing we're doing is we're making it fun, relatable through the Nairobi city, and we are using gamification, and we're using the normal mobile application process. Thank you very much for listening to me. It's been your host Ray, and I hope that you enjoy using the application. Thank you.